apply this theory of probability to the Qur'an? Suppose we agree for sake of argument. Possible a person guessed all the matter that's mentioned in the Quran, maybe somebody has guessed. Let us put this theory of probability to the Quran. The Quran says that the world is spherical. What different shapes can a person think of the earth? Some may say it is flat, some may say it's triangular, some may say it's quadrangular, some may say it has five sides pentagonal, some may say hexagonal, some may say heptagonal, some may say octagonal, some may say spherical. Let's say, assume that you can think of about 30 different shapes for the earth. The chances that if anyone makes a wild guess, he will be right is 1 upon 30. The light of the moon, it can be its own light or it can be reflected light. The chances that if anyone makes a wild guess, he'll be right is 1 upon 2. But the chances that both his guesses, the earth is spherical and the light of the moon is reflected, both are correct, is 1 upon 30 into 1 upon 2, that is 1 upon 60. In the deserts of Arabia, what can a person think that the human being can be made of? That the living creatures can be made of? What are the options? What different options can you think of that a living creature can be made of? A person in the desert may think it is made of sand, maybe it's made of wood, maybe it's made of aluminium, of iron, of copper, of oil, of water, of hydrogen, of oxygen. You can make at least 10,000 guesses. And the last that anyone will guess in the deserts of Arabia is water. But the Quran says that every living thing is made of water. In Surah Al-Anbiya, chapter number 21, verse number 30. It says in Surah Nur, chapter number 24, verse number 45, that every animal is made of water. And in Surah Furqan, chapter number 25, verse number 54, every human being is made of water. If you make a wild guess, the chances that you'll be right is 1 upon 10,000. The chances that if anyone makes 3 guesses and all 3 will be right, that the earth is spherical, that the light of the moon is reflected light, and every living thing is made of water, will be 1 upon 30 into 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 10,000. It is 1 upon 60,000. It works out to 0.0017%. I leave it up to you, the audience, to decide for yourself that if you apply this theory of probability to the Quran mentions hundreds of facts which were unknown at that time. If anyone made a guess, the chances that all the hundreds will be right, it will be somewhere very, very close to 0, and in the theory of probability, it will be 0.